Yellow aloe leaves, free daily solution. Your aloe vera is dying, free 10-second fix daily. Your indoor plants look sad, yellow leaves, no new growth. You spend money on fertilizer, but plants still weak. Today I will show you how to make free plant food from kitchen waste that nurseries do not tell you. Stay till end. I will share storage trick that keeps this fertilizer good for months. Take 1 spoon yeast. Any baking yeast works. Take half cup raw milk. If no raw milk, use normal milk. Warm it little bit. Take 1 liter water jar. Mix everything in glass bottle, not plastic bottle. Yeast works better in glass. Your aloe vera turned yellow or completely dead. Stop throwing it away. Today I will show you yeast and raw milk trick that brings it back to green in days. Nurseries charge money for this, but your kitchen has everything. Aloe turns yellow when roots get weak or soil has no food. Yeast gives nitrogen and growth hormones. Raw milk has calcium and good bacteria. Together they feed roots from inside. Do not use every week. Once is enough. Too much yeast will make fungus. Do not use cold milk. Always room temperature milk works best. My aloe plant before yellow dead leaves. After treatment green fat leaves. Same pot, same light. Only this fertilizer changed everything. Organic food works slow, but makes plants strong forever. Store leftover mixture in fridge. Use within days. If smell too bad, throw it. Use this trick every month. For maintenance, comment your aloe problem below. I will reply with solution. Stop buying costly fertilizer. Use yeast and raw milk. Save money. Grow healthy aloe vera. Share this with friend whose aloe is dying. Subscribe for more free plant hacks.